this week tutorial, I'll show you how to avoid being added to WhatsApp group, a step-by-step ultimate guide. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this guide useful and you're very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial about WhatsApp tricks. So with that being said, let's get started.
Welcome back, friends. So let's see how to avoid being added to a WhatsApp group. So the ultimate guide. So the first thing you need to do is to click on your WhatsApp. You can use WhatsApp Business or normal WhatsApp. So you are doing the same thing. So I'm going to open up my business WhatsApp right here. Next thing you need to do is to click on this three dots at the top. Next thing you need to do is to click on settings. Next thing you need to do is to click on privacy. Then you have to scroll down and navigate to groups. Click on groups. Then change this from everyone to my contacts. So by doing this, nobody will be able to add you to unknown WhatsApp group. So this is how to avoid being added to any WhatsApp group, a step-by-step guide. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more tricks about how to use WhatsApp. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.